Hi all, myself is Girish K. I welcome you all to Hashlearn Studios. So in today's class, I'm going to take you through the concept of composition of functions. You know that in chemistry you would have come across elements and compounds. The word compounds. Compound is nothing but a mixture of elements. So in the same way here, the composition of function. So comp means you are going to mix two or more functions. So composition of function is just, it is a mixture of functions. And you know, if you take a single function, the function is made up of two sets. Set A to set B, there is a function, and set B to set C, there is a relation, and you will get a function. So set A to set B is the first function, set B to set C is the second function. The composition of these two functions f and g is given by, you know that यहाँ पे क्या करना है, जो infuse करना है. So f and g two function, you need to put them together. So f में g को डालना है कभी कभी, g को f में डालना है कभी कभी. So many of the student gets confused, किसको कहाँ पे कैसे डालना है. So here I am going to show you few problems how to just compose the given functions. So here g dot f. So g dot f of x, यहाँ पे क्या करना है. Here g of f means you need to put f in g. You have to put f in g. And if you write g dot f dot g, f dot g means you have to put g in f. यहाँ पे f को g में डालना है और यहाँ पे g को f में डालना है. So we say g of f here and f of g here. So I will give you a clear explanation of these composition of functions in the next slides by taking some problems consisting of two or more function. यहाँ पे function is from real numbers to real numbers, or g is also a function from real numbers to real numbers, and f of x is a cos x function and g of x is a sin x function. And you need to identify what is the answer when the compounded function is tending to pi by 2. So pi by 2 ko we will put it in the last. So first we are going to simplify f of g of f. So आपको क्या करना है, पहले you need to come from inner part. So from inside g of f you have. So g of f means आपको f को g में substitute करना है. So remember students, so first write what is g of x. G of x is sin x. आपको g of f means you need to substitute f in g. यहाँ पे x है ना, substitute f. So it will become sin f. What is f? F is nothing but cos x. F is nothing but cos x, and that's it. So g of f is sin of cos x. Okay, fine then. Or g of f, once you got, you need to put this fellow in the function f. So what is f of x? F of x is cos x, and इसमें क्या डालना है आपको, g of f को डालना है. So g of f को substitute करना है यहाँ पे. So g of f is sin of cos, so it will become cos of g of f. So this becomes cos of g of f is sin of cos x. Sin of cos x. Then you need to put x is equal to pi by 2. What is cos 90? You know that यहाँ पे substitute किए तो x is equal to pi by 2, cos 90 is 0, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is, finally you will get cos 0, that is 1. So 1 is in option A, that is your answer. So you followed the steps, I think so. First you need to check किसको किस में डालना है. So g of f is there, f you should put in g. F of g of f you have you have to put g of f in f. So let us take one more example and find how the composition of function is going to happen here. And here the problem is f of x is given as x into 2x plus 3 plus 5, and g of x is given as 4x minus 5, and g of f 2. So what is g of x? So g of x is 4x minus 5, and you need g of f. g of f is 4 times f minus 5. यहाँ पे x के बदले में f को डालना है, 4f minus 5. So what is f? Your f is something bigger. I will rewrite your f of x here. This into this is 2x square plus 3x and plus 5. I will rewrite like this. And let us put f as 4 outside, 2x square plus 3x plus 5, and minus 5 is outside here. So you need to simplify and put f. G of f of 2 means you need to put x as 2. Finally, x as 2 if you substitute, you will have 4. यहाँ पे 2 substitute किए तो 2 square is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 3 into 2 is 6, plus 5 and minus 5. Once you do the simplification, what will be the final answer? So that will give you, you know that this is 5, this is 8, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 9, 19 into 4, 19 into 4 is nothing but 76, minus 5 is 71, is in option C. That is your answer. Is it clear? Hope you follow the steps. यहाँ पे हम f g में substitute कर रहे हैं. So take g of x, you put x as f, you will get g of f. Fine, then let us go to one more problem on composition of function. Here the problem is f of f. So what is f here? Your f is 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So you should be careful here. So first let us take f of x, 1 minus x by 1 plus x. हमें पहले इसको फाइंड करना है f of f. So what is f of f? यहाँ पे 1 minus f by 1 plus f it becomes. If you simplify, f is 1 minus x by 1 plus x. F is 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So if you simplify this, what happens? You will get denominator part cancels. I am not going to write that. You will have 1 plus x minus 1 plus x in the numerator. यहाँ पे 1 plus x plus 1 plus 1 minus x in the denominator. If you do the simplification, plus 1 minus 1 cancels. You will be getting 2x. X plus x is 2x. यहाँ पे minus x plus cancels, you will have x. So you are getting f of f as x. F of x as x. Now what you need to do, in the next slide I am going to take, you have f of x as 1 minus x by 1 plus x, and you have got f of f as only x. Now आपको क्या करना है? x instead of x you need to put f of f. So f of f is nothing but, when you put f of f will give you 1 minus f of f, 1 plus f of f. So what is f of f? You have got 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So similarly यहाँ पे substitute करने के बाद we are getting the same function as the given function f of x. The given function f of x we are getting. Therefore you should mark the answers as option D. that is f of x. Is it clear? Hope you all followed the steps. So this is what the composition of function is, where you are combining two or more function and you are creating a single function. That is what a composition of function is. Hope you all followed the steps, and thanks for joining us. Thank you. See you.